Hello viewers, let me show you how you can run multiple instances of the same application on your computer. First, open the application as you normally would. In this example, we are going to choose OBS. Open a terminal from the program launcher. Type cd/applications. Then type ls. This is the list of programs you have installed on your computer. Let's say you want to launch a new instance of the OBS application again. Just type open -n OBS as shown in the list here. You will be warned that you are going to launch a new instance of the same application. Click the Launch Anyway button. Here you go. Now we have opened two instances of the same program. Enjoy!